Good morning, Standard 9. We are going to complete chapter 8, the Delhi Sultanate, and in this video, you will understand transfer of capital, token currency, taxation in Dua. Plan of conquest is also there, but it is not given in detail, so we will not do much in detail. You have to concentrate on these three topics. Now, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he transferred his capital, he shifted his capital from Delhi to Devagiri. Now, because there were three reasons. What were the three reasons he shifted his capital from Delhi to Devagiri? One, Mongol were disturbing, they were going on invading. Second, you see that Devagiri was centrally located of his empire. And famine. Delhi was in the grip of famine. So he shifted his capital, but when he shifted, he made the people of Delhi also shift from Delhi to Devagiri. So this caused loss of life and property. So once again, when he realized his mistake, once again he asked the people to reshift, which caused loss of life and property due to transfer of capital. Next we have token currency. Due to shortage of silver worldwide मतलब पूरा दुनिया में there was a shortage of silver. So due to shortage of silver, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he introduced bronze coins. Okay, he introduced bronze coins due to shortage of silver. Very good decision. But the design of this coin was so simple that the craftsmen, they started bringing the copper and minting the fake coins. So here this experiment failed due to circulation of fake coin. As I already explained, why is fake coin? It's because design of the coin was very simple. So market was full of fake coin, which affected the trade and commerce. It affected trade and commerce. So this you have to remember. Under the token currency, once again repeating, due to shortage of silver, he introduced bronze coin. Experiment failed due to circulation of fake coin, which caused chaos in the trade and commerce. The next topic which you have to remember is taxation in Doab. Suppose you remember here that Doab means the land between two rivers, which is very fertile. Here Doab means land between Ganga and Yamuna. Land between Ganga and Yamuna. Very fertile land. So here he wanted to maintain large standing army. To maintain large standing army, he required money. So he imposed heavy tax on the people living in Ganga, Yamuna, Doab. He increased, so to get more revenue, he increased land tax in the fertile region of Ganga, Yamuna, Doab. Decision was good, take more money. But what happened here? At that time, the people of this region, okay, Ganga, Yamuna, Doab region, they were suffering due to severe famine. Okay, so it was difficult for them to pay the tax. So, and the tax collectors also were not showing any mercy. They were forcefully collecting the tax. What happened? Revolt. These people, they revolted, and when they were forced, they abandoned that place, left that place, and started living in jungle. Okay, so when Muhammad bin Tughlaq realized, he withdrew his decision, he provided help to the people, but it was too late. He already had become unpopular among his people. So these three you have to remember: transfer of capital, token currency, taxation in Doab. Plan of conquest, he wanted to capture Karachil, Khorasan and Karachil. These two places were in Central Asia. So here capture Karachi, he maintained a very huge army, and this he spent money to buy the war material. He spent money for the armaments. He gave 1 year advance salary, but later he withdrew his decision. When he withdrew his decision, again there was a loss of property, and this made him unpopular. So here, please remember taxation, transfer of capital, token currency and taxation in Doha. These three topics are very, very important. Thank you.